Are you looking for the best barbecue smokers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best barbecue smokers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Realcook Vertical Charcoal Smoker. Realcook delivers a sleek and understated smoker with a space-saving vertical layout, so how does it stand and fall? First up, this is another smoker offering an innovative split-level configuration so you can get more food inside, while also better organizing it. Twin doors ensure you don't need to start opening up the cooking chamber in order to add charcoal or wood. With over 450 square inches of space inside for your food, this compact smoker makes a great choice for smaller families or anyone entertaining for a couple of guests. If you need a barbecue smoker with a larger capacity, explore some of the many more substantial models on our shortlist. Since you'll be cooking with charcoal, this smoker delivers that authentic taste and aroma that no other cooking method can match. The latches lock this system into place and make it very easy to assemble or disassemble, while still providing a rock-solid and stable cooking environment. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cuisinart Vertical LP Smoker. Cuisinart is a household name in the kitchenware vertical, and they also produce a deep bench of highly effective smokers, BBQs, and grills. We'll highlight the pros and cons of this liquid propane smoker next so you can see if it makes the right fit for you. Inside this smoker you get an impressive 5.5 square feet of cooking real estate. You get stainless steel shelving so you can organize your cooking space efficiently. If, on the other hand, you need to smoke whole large birds, simply remove the shelving to accommodate them. The shelves' removable nature also streamlines cleanup. Vital for all the best barbecue smokers, this model comes with a tightly sealed door you can lock once it's loaded with food. There is a 40-inch hose as well as regulator bundled, but you should grab a 20-pound tank of liquid propane. Hook this up and you'll be up and running with one of the best barbecue smokers on the market. Aside from the ongoing cost of LP tanks, there is nothing else to concern yourself with, allowing you to buy with total confidence and no niggling worries about lifespan or performance. At number 3, we have the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker. Masterbuilt make a deep bench of electric smokers. If you're a purist and committed to using charcoal, this is not the smoker for you, and you'll have plenty of other options above and below. For many, though, the convenience of grilling and smoking food with electric appliances is unbeatable. If you're among these people, what do you get for your money here? The innovative loading system lets you pile your wood chips in the side, meaning you can avoid opening the door of the smoking chamber and compromising the temperature. These wood chips will help to impart that trademark smokiness to your food as you cook it low and slow inside this 40-inch unit. Bluetooth connectivity and smart controls allows you to spend more time with your guests when you're cooking in the backyard, and less fussing over your smoker. The smoking racks are all treated with a chrome coating, so you shouldn't get too much food splattered all over. When you open the door of this motor, you'll see your food illuminated in a muted blue light. A meat probe thermometer comes bundled with this model, so you're getting great value for money and one of the best barbecue smoker combos out there. At number 2, we have the Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker. Weber's Smoky Mountain Cooker is a classic barbecue smoker with a space-saving vertical configuration. If you've been hoping to replicate that traditional smokehouse flavor at home, but you've always thought smokers were too expensive and too complicated, this 18-inch Weber will make you rethink that. While the cooking grates only offer 245 square inches of space, you can stuff a whole ham or turkey inside this smoker if you're looking for super succulent meat. You'll get everything you need bundled here to get started smoking right out the box. This includes a thermometer and a water pan, although this water pan is flagged by several users as tricky to use and awkward to move around. If you want to smoke meats low and slow, all you'll need is a little patience. Once you load this beginner-friendly grill with charcoal, you'll be cooking traditional barbecue and smoking your food like a seasoned pitmaster, even if this is your first season cooking out. Aside from those minor issues with the water pan, this is one of the best barbecue smokers you'll find, and it comes from a brand you can trust, too. And finally at number 1. We have the Traeger Grills Pro Series 575. Traeger was the company that created and patented the wood pellet grill, so you're in safe hands with this brand. This is a smart grill and smoker allowing you to take control in-app. We found some complaints from users about app functionality and glitches, though. You can also use Alexa if you have an Amazon Echo device and you're looking for hands-free control. As well as giving you the ability to cook using a variety of methods, this smoker also provides you with a generous cooking area ideal for larger families or guests. To put the 575 square inch space into perspective, you could fit 24 burgers, 4 chickens, or 5 racks of ribs inside this thing for a full-blooded cookout. This is a new and improved version of the classic 575 grill, and it comes equipped with a drivetrain tweaked for superior performance. This iteration also heats up even quicker than ever, so you can get to your smoked favorites in no time. While almost all user reviews concerning this iconic smoker grill are positive, we found some gripes about customer service issues. Setting this aside, you're getting one of the best barbecue smokers on the market from a brand you can rely on. Load this unit up with those trademark hardwood pellets and start enjoying even tastier smoked delicacies. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.